A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their mathematics class. I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, today you will be able to find thirds and fourths fractions. You can find the related concept and the related questions on page number 111 to 130. So let us start now. In the previous classes, we learnt about what is whole, what is a fraction, what are halves, how we represent half. Today we are going to learn about thirds first. So, take this strip of paper. It is rectangular in shape. Shapes we all have learnt. So, this is rectangular shape and you are going to divide this rectangle or this strip of paper into how many parts? 3 parts. Because dividing a whole object, a whole piece of paper or a shape into 2 parts, 2 equal parts we learnt. That is called halves. But today we are going to divide this shape, this rectangular shape, this whole object into how many parts? 3 parts. But equal parts they should be. So 1, 2 and 3. This is first part, this is second part, this is third part. So how many parts I have divided it into? 3 parts. And each part is called a third. 1/3 part. This is called 1/3 part. This is also called 1/3 part, 1/3 part. So how many 1/3s make a whole? 1, 2, 3. That means 3 1/3s make a whole. How to represent a fraction? You have to write in the numerator the part of the fraction. For example, we are dealing with this fraction. This is the first part and the total number of parts are 3. Right? We say each part is called a 1/3. That is represented by 1/3. Now, if we color one part, this part we are coloring of the same strip. What we say? We say that 1/3 is colored. It is the one part out of the 3 parts that we made of the strip. If 2 parts are colored of the same strip, that is divided into 3 parts. For example, this is colored and this is colored. What we say? We say 2 parts are colored out of 3. That means we have to write 2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, separating by this bar. 2 divided by 3. 2/3 is written as 2/3 and it is shown like this. Now, in this strip of paper, you see all the 3 parts have been colored. How many parts are colored? 3 parts. And what is the total number of parts we made of the strip is 3. That means you are going to write 3/3 and represent it by 3/3. A new concept, a new term. After learning whole, fractions, equal parts and today thirds, now we are going to learn fourths. Dear students, here is a circle in front of you and you have to divide this circle equal parts. How many equal parts? 4 equal parts. For example, this circle is a pizza and you are going to divide this pizza between 4 of your friends. So how we are going to divide it? First, you will make 2 parts of the pizza. Okay, Then you will cut these two parts and these two parts. In this way, you are going to cut it first vertically, then horizontally, and automatically equal 4 parts are made. Each part is called a fourth. So, how many fourths make a whole? 4 fourths. How? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fourths, 4 1/4ths make a whole. Okay, and it is represented by, this portion is represented by, this part is represented by, this is the first part out of the 4 parts, 1/4. Now, if we color one part, okay, if we are having this shape and only one part is colored, we say we represent it by 1/4. 1/4 part of the circle is colored. When two parts are colored, here this part is colored and this part is also colored, we say 2/4 is colored. 2 parts out of 4 parts are colored. We will write it as 2/4. When 3 parts are colored, we say in this diagram, how many parts are colored? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 parts are colored, and what is the total number of parts? 4 parts. You are going to write it like this. That means 3/4. And whenever all the 4 parts are colored, how you are going to write it? Number of parts that are colored is 4, and what is the total number of colored parts? 4. Or you can write it like this also. This is the bar, and here 4 is numerator, and 4 is denominator, that is below. Dear students, today we learnt about thirds and fourths, and now you are instructed to do the related question of U1, T1 and chapter number 6 and 7 in your skill sheet number 31 today of page number 45 to 46 in your math speed practice book. So this was all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz to you all.